April is Donate Life Month, and Arnot Health held a flag-raising ceremony today in honor of organ donors. Our 18's reporter Joe Mason has more on the importance of organ donation.
Arnot Health held a flag-raising ceremony earlier today to encourage members of the community to save lives by becoming an organ donor.
If you are able, be an organ donor. It changes lots of lives, and it allows a lot of other people to have a second chance.
April is Donate Life Month, and as the month winds down, Arnot Health commemorated it by raising a flag in honor of organ donors. For hospital staff, it's about sharing the impacts of organ donation.
We have saved thousands of lives because of individuals that decide to donate, and from kidneys and lungs and hearts, and we go on to live thriving lives because of donations from our families.
Organ donation is incredibly important because unfortunately there is a critical need for organ donation. There's over 100,000 people waiting for a life-saving gift, and unfortunately every single day across the U.S. there's about 20 to 22 people who aren't receiving the gift in time. So it's incredibly important that we spread the word and create awareness so that people know how important it is that if you have an intention to help others upon your death, that you can do so.
For Devin Tennant and her family, it's the legacy a father left behind.
In October, my dad unexpectedly passed away from pneumonia. Late in his treatment, we did find out that he was an organ donor. We were very lucky to have the medical team that we did that allowed us to coordinate that process, because we did know that with his history of social work, he was a social worker for his whole life. He gave his life to helping others, and we knew that that would be something that he definitely wanted. I think that this is the end, or it's the closing of a chapter, and it's the opening of somebody else's chapter, which I think is something that's really beautiful and something that he would have appreciated, that he was able to give that gift.
For more information on how to become an organ donor, visit our website. That's mytwintears.com. In Elmira, Joe Mason, 18 News.